Hi kids.
Hi friends.
Hi. So today we are going to learn about the number.
0.
Correct, the number 0. Maybe you think if I tell something related to numbers, you may think that the first number will be 1.
Yeah.
But no, we should learn the number 0 also. It's having more value than all other numbers.
Yeah.
You will get to know later. Okay. Okay. I will ask one question. What is the usefulness? What is the importance of numbers? These are helpful in our daily life. Okay. Shall I tell you one example?
Yeah.
Okay. If you go to a market and you want to buy some apples,
Yeah.
and the boy who is selling, the seller boy told, for 100 rupees 5 apples.
Yeah.
Okay, you have given 100 rupees and he has given 5 apples.
Yeah.
If you don't know the numbers, how will you count that he has given the 5 apples?
Yeah.
Right? If you know how to count and everything, then you can count whether he has given 5 or not.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yes. So it's very small example. But in real life, it will have more useful. Additions, subtractions, multiplications, divisions. These all will come after these things. But the basic thing, we have to learn all the numbers.
Yeah.
Okay. And these numbers and everything will come under which subject?
Maths.
Correct. Mathematics. Maths. Okay. The alphabets A, B, C, D, all these comes in which language?
In English.
Yes, that's the English language. This is the maths language. Okay.
Yeah.
So in today's language, that maths language, we will learn how to draw, how to write the number 0 and how to identify the number 0. Okay. Right. Before going to the class, Siri want to tell one good habit. What is that, Siri?
Wake up.
Wake up. You already told in the previous class, right?
Yeah.
What is the next one?
Next.
Brush.
Brush.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth twice a day.
That's correct. So brush your teeth twice a day.
Twice
That means, what is that? You have to brush your teeth twice, in the morning and before going to the bed. If you do like that, there will be no cavities in your teeth.
Yeah.
Okay? It will be always strong.
Yeah.
Nice. Shall we go to the class?
Yeah.
Chalo.
Chill.
So kids, number 0. All the fingers are closed, right? That means none of the fingers are open. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or nothing. It's the number 0. Right. We will learn the concept of 0 now. If you observe the tree, all the apples are fallen on the ground, right? No apple is on the tree. The other one is almost falling down, right? Yes. So how many apples on the tree? It's 0. None of the apples. If you observe here, in the first pot, is there fishes are there? Yes, the fishes are there. In the last pot, fishes are there? Yes. In the middle pot, fishes are there? No. Right? That means the fishes in the middle pot is 0. That means no fishes. Here, in the first cage, the birds are there. Right? Yes. In the second cage, one bird is flying and the other bird is in the cage. And in the last one, all the birds are flying. So, no birds are there. That means 0 birds in this cage. Now, we will learn how to trace the number 0. Okay. If you observe, first what you have to do is, you have to take the pencil and paper or slate. Okay, I will show you how to trace the number 0 and you have to practice with us. First, observe. Okay, if you observe the dot here, it is starting from the upwards and coming down and again going upwards and closing. Right? Again observe. First, you have to start from the upwards and upwards to downwards, and again downwards to upwards. Yes, closing the circle. It's like a circle, right? This is nothing but the 0. Number 0. Okay. Again we will see. Okay. First, observe kids. So, in other words, draw the left curve and again close the curve by moving the upwards. That is the number 0. Okay. Now, write in your books. Okay. I will show you how to write. You have to get ready. Write. Write, kids. First, from upwards to downwards and again to downwards to upwards. This is the number 0. Again, number 0. Okay. Observe and write, kids. Upwards to downwards and downwards to upwards. You have to close that circle. That's the number 0. Again, number 0. Right. Again, number 0. Okay. So, after the class, you have to practice in your book at least 20 times. Now, we will see the concept of 0. Okay. Circle the tree with 0 apples. Yes. So, in the first tree, apples are there. In the first tree, apples are there. Yes. The next one, apples are there? No, that means 0 apples. The next one, apples are there? Yes. Next one, S. Here, no apples. That means 0 apples. No apples on the tree. The next one, it's there. The next one, no, it's not there. That means 0 apples on the tree. The next one, it's there. So it's having 3 trees which are not having the apples. That means 0 apples. Right. Tick the pictures with 0 objects. Observe, kids. This is very important. Okay. In the first jar, that means the left jar, there are biscuits or cookies, right? So that's not the 0 object. And in the right one, there are no cookies or biscuits. That means 0 object. In the tree, it's having apples. Here also, it's having 1 apple. That means there is no 0 object here. So, no tick mark. Okay. Here in this plate, what is there? Yummy pizza. It's already there. And here in this plate, no pizza. That means 0. No object here. And in the ice cream, in the first picture of ice cream, total ice cream is already done. That means it's already fallen down. So, it's 0. In the next one, 4 flavors. So, no. You got the concept right, kids? Very nice. Find and circle the number 0. Yes, this is the time. How will you identify the number 0? You have to tell us. The first one, is this the 0? Yes, circle it. Is this the 0? No. Is this the 0? Yes, circle it. Is this the 0? No. Is this the 0? The next one? Correct. Circle it. No. Is this the 0? Yes, kids. Circle it. You are getting right. You have to tell me. No. Is this the 0? No. That's it, kids. So, this is the concept of 0. So, after this class, you have to write the 0 at least 20 times, and you have to practice and identify the number 0. Now, we are having some fun. How to draw the balloons with the number 0? Shall we try? Yes, you can also try. It's very, very simple. After learning the number 0, you can draw the balloons with the number 0. Shall I show you how to draw these balloons? Yes. Get ready, observe how I am drawing. Okay. First you have to draw the number 0. After that, below the number 0, draw a small triangle like this and a small curve like line. Okay, that's the one balloon. Shall we draw another balloons? Yes, it's very simple, right? How? See, it's very simple how to draw the balloon. Another 0, a small triangle, yes, triangles under the zeros and a small lines under that. See how we can draw these balloons, how cute balloons. In the picture all the three have joined, but here I have separated. It's your wish whether to join or separate it. Okay, after drawing these balloons, color them. Color balloons. Okay, so much fun. Very nice, kids. You have to try. Okay, so that's it, kids. So please practice them. Practice makes everything easy. Okay, kids. Bye bye. Have a good day. Bye.